Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Hottoerak brand, the red LED therapy Goose-neck device. It has 660, 850, and 940 nanometer LEDs. It gets great ratings on Amazon. It comes in this great holder, and it has a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer. This is all zipper closed and it holds everything in here. You have safety glasses if you would like, and you also have the internal battery, the rechargeable 18650, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and it also has a nicely written instruction manual. Now you need your own charger, USB-A to charge this. Any USB-A port will work, 1 amp or greater, so that you could charge this thing up. We're going to show you how to charge it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put the battery inside. Really simple. This comes apart on the base right here, and the battery goes in with the positive towards the LED right there. So it's a tight fit, so you just have to push it in just like that, and then you have the spring-loaded base on there. Turn that clockwise until it's tight, and then it's ready to use. So you see it has a button right there. On this side has a silicone cover, and you have the USB-C port right there for charging. Really simple operation. You push this button once and the LED comes on just like that. Now if you do a search on the internet, you can find all kinds of information about how this works. These LEDs that produce this particular wavelength is a chosen wavelength, and it penetrates your muscles and your skin and enhances metabolism, improves cell vitality. Now you could do a search on the internet, you can find all kinds of things about this, but what this is great for, it's great for some skin problems you might have, like eczema, things like that, stasis. But what I find it's really helpful for is muscle pains in like your joints. So I do a lot of editing and I get pain right on my hand right here, and it gets sore right there and right there. So I'll use this for 5 minutes a day, and with the built-in timer, which goes for 5 minutes, and that will help alleviate that pain. And it's so simple because you can just be sitting doing something else and the light can go right on that area just like that. You want to be about 2 inches away, 2 inches or less. Typically 1.5 to 2 inches is fine, just like I'm showing right here. And it's great for pain that you might have in your joints, on your hand, or on your feet, or even on your jaw. Now if you're going to be using this where it's going to be facing more towards your face, I recommend using the safety glasses, which are really nice quality. I was impressed with that. They're really high-tech looking. But when you're pointing it on a surface like your feet or your hands, it's not necessary to wear the safety glasses. Charging is very simple. You take the included USB-A to USB-C cable and any USB charger 1 amp or greater, and you go on the side where it has a silicone cover and you plug it in right there, and then you see that you get a red indicator right there, and we're going to let this charge and show you what happens after it's fully charged. And you can see after it's fully charged, that indicator goes to green. When you're using the device, you'll notice that the indicator is on green, and if that turns to red, it means that it's time to charge the device. Operation is very simple to use this product. Once you've installed the battery, you just turn it on and you see you get the green indicator right there, and the light comes on. When you hit it a second time, it goes to 75%, then 50%, and then off. When you have this on, I noticed that there is a built-in timer in here, and it will shut off after 5 minutes of use. So that's nice so that you don't overuse the light. So after testing, what do I think about the Hottoerak brand, the red light therapy with the gooseneck and the 660, 850, and 940 nanometer LEDs? This is a cool product, and as I demonstrated, it's very easy to use, works really nicely. This gooseneck on here is very functional. Built-in timer for safety. safety glasses, and this really nice high quality holder. So you can't go wrong. This is a great product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.